play championship between Peno versus Philippines J Project. With the leather, goes the mid lane, pass it to the left. He goes to the screen, he stops, he bounce pass, he spins. Reverse layup, that's good. First block. Inbounding for Team Philippines. Fires a triple, bang! 3 points. Mavs Peno Flores, number 91. And pass to the corner, step back for 3. Off the mark, rebound by Mundas, stolen, and lays it up, that's good. Ral, pass it to Mundas. Mundas with the leather, pass it to Boholano. Boholano, bump, poke away, recover, pull up jumper, free throw, area, in and out. Rebound, put back shot by Ilyas Cas, and that's good. Abella, natapikan, recover, stolen by Guevara. Guevara to Moral. Moral attacks, spin, nakalusot, pinasa sa labas. Bolano, top shot. That's good, the friendly roll. Bound. Trapping defense for Team Philippines, J Project. And the pass, wide open. Attacks, lays it up using the window. That's good. Guevara dribbling at the top. High pass to Moral. Corner 3 for Moral. Off the target. Rebound for Peno. He stops. And the pass. Corner pass. Fires a 3. Bang! 3 point. Bara to Moral. Moral. Crossover. Side step. Paro! May foul. May foul. Throw for Chog Moral. It's good. Final throw, Moral won't go. And the pass stolen by Bolano. Bolano attack straight to the hoops. Easy to Bolano. Stolen by Mundas. High pass to Moral. Moral binitbit. Oh, pinalaw. Wala. Binale pa. Bale. Stolen. Here's Mundas. Mundas. Easy to Mundas. And the pass. Recover. Corner long 2. Off the mark. Rebound by Mundas. Pass to Chog Moral. Chog Moral pinasa kay Guevara. Na connection. Pass to Pino. Pino is spinning. Inside pass na libre off the glass. That's good. Pass. Now dribbling at the top. Pass to Guevara. Guevara. He stops looking for receiver to Moral. Inside pass. Hindi nakita ni Mundas. Pass break ngayon. The pass. Recover. The fire of the glass too strong. Rebound. Bounce pass is spinning. Firing. Bullseye. In 13. 1 point lead for Team Philippines J Project. Moral with the leather. Chris screen by fires a triple. Bang! Triple. Maningo, bump against Mundas. Maningo, top shot, off the mark. Rebound ngayon ni Pinoy's Mundas. Mundas lefty lays up. That's good. Mundas. And here's number 77. Guarded by Guevara. High pass for 3. Short. Rebound Moral. No look pass. Ang gandang pasa nun. What a pass. Moral to Mundas. Napakalupit na connection nun. And Moncal drives. Loud. Rejected. Rejected. Pass break ngayon. And ball is stolen. Moncal stops. Bounce pass. Fires at 3, short. Rebound for Peno. Lusot na lusot. Sinausaw. Easy to. And here you go. Moncal corner pass. The attacks. The bump. Goes to the corner. Hook pass. Cross pass. Fires Moncal. Bang! 3. 7. For Team Peno. Atake dito. Kicks it out. Corner. Triple. Won't go. Rebound by Domingo. Stolen by Moncal. Fires, pinabitin, no. Put back shot, won't go. Rebound pa rin sa Peno. Fire short. Rebound put back again. The follow-up shot and the finish. Down to 1-point lead. 21-20 para sa J Project. Philippines. Deep 3 Moral. Short. And bounce pass. Attack straight to the hoops. That's good. Pass is stolen by Pico. Pico to Chog Moral. Fakes drive. Pinabitin short. Final free throw Chog Moral for the tie. Ties the game. Over na agawan. Recover. Bounce pass is stolen by Domingo. Pass break to Mamawag. Tinignan pa yung banta. Easy bucket. And the pass. And Maningo. Maningo for 3. Won't go. Rebound by Domingo. Domingo de derecho. Stop for 3. Ball at the buzzer. Stolen for Team Peno. Here you go. Moncal lays it up. No good. Domingo straight to the hoops. Basket is good. Domingo. Crossover. Inside pass. Fires. Bullseye. Moncal. Pass to Domingo to Mamawag. Pass to Domingo. Ranyeses. Pass to Domingo. Domingo at the top. Stops. Bounce pass inside. Recover. And recovered back inside. Pass na agaw ngayon ni Manico. Pass break. Fakes. Inside pass. Oh, Pino. Tanyeses. Pass to Iliascas. Iliascas. Ball poke. And recover. Pass to Domingo. Ranyeses. Pass back Domingo. Fakes. Drive. Kicks out. Ranyeses. Top shot. Bullseye. Manica. Manica straight to the hoops. Won't go. Follow-up shot and the finish. High pass. Ranyeses corner. Pico fires long to no. Rebound by Ilyas Casbam. No good. Rebound pa sa Temteno. Crossover. Umatake. Uy! Umabitin pa nga ni Mundas Ranyeses. Ranyeses to Iliescas. Iliescas, Ranyeses, cross pass. Moral will fire a 3. Pass. Iliescas, the receiver is spinning. Kicks it out. Ranyeses. Ranyeses. Attacks. Top. Step back. Cross pass. Iliescas. Long to. No good. Pass break ngayon. Nauna na dito. Binitbit pa. Easy bucket. Mundas. Corner. Fires at 3. Bang! Another 3 for Moral. And the pass almost stolen. Durato. Pass to number 21. Pino. Lays it up. Rejected. Recover. Fires. Bullseye. Team Philippines. Moral. Moral. Between the legs. Crossover. Step back for 3. Short. And fires. No. Rejected. Picks. High pass. Durato. Fires at 3. Off the mark. And rebound para sa Timpeno. To the corner. Is stolen by Domingo. 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 Pass to Moral. Moral. No look pass inside ang gap. Pakalupit na pasa naman nun. From Morato. Stops. Pass to the right. Pass back. Dorato. And Dorato. Pass back to the left. And Dorato will drive. Side step. Inside pass. Top shot. No. Guevara. Pass to the middle. Ranyeses. Moral. Moral. Crossover move. Attack. Side step. Fires. Oh! Pinabitin! Face to face. And here comes Timpeno. Corner. Long two. Won't go too strong. Buholano the rebound. Moral. Moral goes to the screen. Attacking the defense. corner pass. Guevara spins and fire. Bullseye, Guevara. And Destimpeno to the corner, stepping back. Inside pass. The fake, the bump sa gitna. Floater shot, that's good. Chog Moral. He goes to the screen. Inside pass, Domingo. Kicks out, Guevara. Chog Moral. Boholano fires at 3. Bang! Boholano. And the pass. Sa gitna. Ortimpeno side step. Monical. Yes sir, Moncal. Moral. He goes to the screen. Spins, iniwan yung dalawa, iniwan yung tatlo. Tips in, basket is good. Moncal, pass to the right wings. Moncal, pass to the left. Patoria, pass back. Moncal, he goes to the screen. Stops, corner pass. Maningo fires a triple, rebound by Domingo. Domingo side step to Chog Moral, pinabitin pa. Oh, Tulsi! Good player. And here you go, number 17, nakalusot inside pass, stolen by Ilyas Cas, pass break, Moral. Gumeli pa, yun lang. Natabi ka, stolen ka. Na-recover, easy layup, Domingo. Oy. Pass it back to the middle, chest pass, bounce pass, and poke away, stolen. Mundas, pass to Chog Moral. Chog Moral at the top. He goes to the screen by Boholano. Corner pass for 3, Guevara, too strong. And the pass, the drive, Maningo, basket and 1, Maningo. Chog Moral at the top. Pass to the middle, Ilyas Cas for 3. Bang! 3 points, Ilyas Cas. Maningo drives straight to the hoops. Basket is good, Maningo. Ano? Pass. Ilyas Cas, 5 yung bantay, 4. Stolen by Moral. Moral ace! Oh! What a move, Moral! Moral! Attacks. Oh, natapikan. Stolen pass break ngayon. Moral. Stop. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. Moncal. Looking for receiver. Pass to Maningo. Pass back Moncal. Moncal goes to the right. Stop, spins. Corner pass. He spins. Lays it up short. Boholano the rebound. Moral, high pass to Mundas. Pass to Moral, inside pass, Guevara, fires off the glass, wala. Rebound, Boholano, hook shot, basket is good. Boholano. Moncal, pass it to Maningo, pass to Moncal. Pass back to Moncal, spinning. Pass to Maningo, pull up jumper, that's good, Maningo. Moral at the top, cross the mid lane, pass it to the left, corner pass, Ilyas Cas will bump, will step back, will spin, looking for receiver sa gitna, Guevara to Moral, Mundas for 3, off the target, rebound by Moral, crossover, poke, fades away, 1 foot shot, bullseye! Grabe ka mo. Moral, bounce pass. Ilyas Cas, lays it up, easy bucket from Moral. And here you go. For Timpeno. Pass to the left, corner pass. Side step, inside pass, hook shot using the glass, bullseye. Bounding, pass to Domingo, pass back to Mundas, corner pass for 3, bang! 3 points, Ilyas. High pass to Boholano, to Ranieses, sa gitna Domingo, No look pass, Ilyes casting up board, no. Rebound for Team Peno. Pino. Inside pass, rejected. Bounce pass, easy bucket for Moral. At the top, side step for 3. No good. Rebound by Pino, pass break ngayon. Enes Timpeno, lulusot dito. Crossover. Naagawan ng bola ni Moral. Pass break kay Domingo. Easy bucket. Jog Moral. Dribbling at the top. Pass to the left. Inside pass to Pico the fake. Level slide up. That's good. Moral. Ranyeses. And fires the lucky bounce. Number 18 for Timpeno. Pass it back. Spins na. Tabigan na agaw ni Domingo. Easy bucket by Domingo. Here comes Timpeno. Basketball. Maningo. 4-3. Short. Rebound Ranyeses. Pass break kay Moral. Moral dinakdak! Moral dinakdak! Oh, stolen again. Moral. Lays up. Back to back. Lays up. Oy! Grabe. Oy, stolen by Moral. Na-recover. No look pass inside the alley-oop pass. That's good. Moral to Domingo. Domingo to Moral. Attacks. Pass. Ang gandang pasa nun. Ang lupit ng pasa. Grabe namang pasa yun. Enes Timpeno to Pino. Pino decided to take it easy. Drive, stop shot rejected. Stolen by Domingo. Domingo pinasa. Moral. No look pass again. Oh, sinausaw from Moral. Number 32. Stolen by Moral again. Pass to Domingo. Domingo putting it up from Moral. And here's Timpeno attacking the defense. Inside pass, lays it up using the glass. That's good. Mundas di distansya. Mundas between the legs. Mundas attacking the defense. The bump. Kicks it out. Ranyeses will drive, will lace. Easy to. Here's Timpeno. Floater shot. That's good. Arapok. Lays up off the glass. That's good. And the pass. Easy basket. Dumakdak. Congratulations, Team Philippines.